Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will share essential tips for landlords on how to prepare their rental properties for the summer season. As the weather warms up, it's important to ensure that your rental property is comfortable, well maintained, and ready for the summer months. Join us as we explore the key steps and strategies to help landlords provide an optimal living experience for their tenants during the summer season. As temperatures rise, it's crucial to ensure that the cooling systems in your rental property are in optimal working condition. Schedule a professional HVAC inspection to check for any issues and clean or replace filters. Encourage tenants to regularly clean air vents and provide them with instructions on how to properly use and maintain the cooling system. Consider installing programmable thermostats to help tenants regulate the temperature efficiently and save energy. Enhance the curb appeal and outdoor spaces of your rental property to create a welcoming and enjoyable environment for tenants during the summer. Regularly maintain the landscaping by mowing the lawn, trimming shrubs, and removing any weeds or debris. Provide outdoor seating areas or patio furniture where tenants can relax and enjoy the outdoors. Consider adding shade elements such as umbrellas or pergolas to provide relief from the sun. If your rental property has a pool or any water features, it's essential to ensure they are well maintained and safe for use. Schedule a professional pool inspection to check for leaks, proper water chemistry, and functioning pool equipment. Install safety measures such as pool covers, fences, and signage to prevent accidents and comply with local regulations. Provide tenants with guidelines for pool usage, including safety precautions and maintenance responsibilities. Proper ventilation and insulation are key factors in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment during the summer. Check windows and doors for drafts and repair or replace weather stripping as needed. Ensure that all vents, including bathroom and kitchen exhaust fans, are clean and functioning properly. Consider installing ceiling fans in common areas and bedrooms to improve air circulation and provide a cooling breeze. Effective communication with tenants is essential for a smooth summer season. Provide tenants with a welcome package or information packet that includes details about the property, emergency contact numbers, and guidelines for using amenities and facilities. Remind tenants of their responsibilities, such as reporting maintenance issues promptly and following any specific summer-related guidelines or rules. Conduct regular maintenance and safety checks to ensure that the rental property is in good condition and complies with safety standards. Inspect and clean gutters to prevent water damage. Test smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and fire extinguishers to ensure they are functioning properly. Check outdoor lighting fixtures and replace any burned-out bulbs. Additionally, inspect and service any outdoor grills or barbecue areas to ensure they are safe for use. Preparing your rental property for the summer season is crucial for tenant satisfaction and overall property management success. By following these essential tips, you can create a comfortable and enjoyable living environment for your tenants. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.